blow it up. So this is idling at about 850, and it's really like kind of choppy, and when I put it in gear it goes down to 570, but the idle's very sporadic. I'm going to be changing the cap, rotor, and wires and plugs, and possibly the coil. It does start fine, and the timing's probably off. So I'm going to have to tune everything with the vacuum gauge, but I wanted to get everyone's opinion if there's something wrong with the engine or if this is just out of tune. Thanks.